My name's Gary Vapp with Vapp Construction. My main job is sales, basically sales, meeting customers, going to shows. My job is also to make sure the customer go through all the details with them, exactly what the building's being used for, door openings, height, what's going to be stored in it. It makes a lot of difference in the construction part of it, with how it's built, and make sure it's going to fit your needs. The building we're standing in belongs to Randy Wojcicki. When Randy first talked to me about it, he came into the office and kind of went through what he was wanting to do as far as park man cave, and then what we needed for storage for his tractors and everything else he had out here. It turned out really nice. And we got a little 8-foot lean-to on the north side. Well, when we first started this, we put up the shell itself. We did the concrete. This room here, we studded the 3 interior walls for this first 16 feet. And then pretty much Randy took over from there, finished the rest of this out. He's kind of into antiques and older stuff, so it's really nice. Now, this is the kind of thing we do also, but Randy took it upon himself to do this finish work himself. But this gives you an idea of what you can do in a post-frame building, so your imagination can just run wild. Well, a lot of times when customers call in, they have an idea they need a building, but our job is to see what's going to fit their needs. The Vapp family we grew up on a farm, so we got a lot of agricultural background, which kind of helps when you're talking about calving barns, equipment storage, even horse barns, of what fits in a building and to make it work right for you. As far as the way our buildings are constructed, our sidewall posts, we try to stay on an 8-foot center with our post spacings for the simple fact our trusses lay out on 4s. So it's a lot stronger. Our wall boards are spaced different, where other people are on 30-inch centers or on 2-foot centers. Every building is built exactly the same way with the V-brace as top plate. And when we go into these engineering counties where their criteria is set a lot higher, we're already there. We don't have to alter or build to meet their county strict requirements where other people would have to.